Here in the bedroom, come. Sorry, already there. You did not connect your table. I'll connect it. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So
Okay.
actually, I had my tuitions, so I had to join late.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Hello, Hesha. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Thank you. I am also doing good. Okay. Hi, Sanvi. Which language you was talking just few minutes back?
Sir, I was in the washroom. That's why.
Sorry?
Sir, I was in the washroom.
No, you were talking in Hindi only or a different language?
Sir, in Konkani.
Konkani. Okay, okay. That's what I felt. It was something different actually. Okay, good. And Eva, you also knows multiple languages?
I know Kannada, Hindi, English, of course, and I understand Kannada. I don't know how to speak.
Okay, you cannot talk, but you
My
understand.
father's from south and my mother's from west.
Okay, okay, good. Multicultural family. Very nice.
Yes.
Okay, kids. So let's focus on the last puzzle from the pin tactics. This is white to play, kids.
So is it a one move mate?
No.
Okay. So king to f4. No. Sorry. No, sorry.
Sir, if there was support for the rook, no, sir, no, sir.
Is there something which is pinned?
The bishop is pinned.
The bishop is pinned. Okay, now because of this, can we take some advantage as it is pinned?
Yes, sir. We can promote the pawn.
Okay, which pawn?
Sir, h3.
Okay, so you can play h4, right?
Yes.
Okay, now he gave the check actually.
Sir, so that we can stop promoting. I think so will keep on giving us checks.
Now we will capture this, right? In that case, we will come here. Yeah. Now, after this.
So now the pin is over.
Sorry?
So now the pin is over, but still we can give check to the king.
Sir, but we can. Sir, but why didn't you capture the bishop and give check to the king?
We got the rook, right? So why to take bishop if you are
Yes.
getting rook, right?
Sir, but we could have done check. So can we capture? Sir, but why did he play that?
He gave up actually. He just thought, now I cannot do anything. I am helpless. So
Done. Now we can move easily, sir. We have only our pieces, none of the blank pieces to stop us. But we need to be careful now, sir, because then we might give him a stalemate.
Sir, waiting. Sir, checkmate. Oh,
Correct. So what was important here, kids?
yes.
Identifying that it's blocked. Okay, so when you push this,
Taking
captured.
advantage of pin.
Okay, now here you can play differently as well. Suppose you come back here. So he will continue giving check actually, right? Let us see what he plays. Again giving check. We are coming here. Now no more check, but then we are losing our pawn. Correct? But doesn't matter. It's okay for us. Yeah. The pawn is still, sorry, the bishop is still pinned. Okay, maybe we can give
Sir,
check.
can you move one move back? Sir, can you go one move back? Sir, behind that. Sir, can we move the capture the bishop?
Yes, we can capture the rook. Yeah, but before this, actually,
the
we had
bishop.
the check, right? Okay, you mean to say,
Yes.
can we move the bishop? Answer is no, you cannot.
No, capture. Capture.
We
By the
cannot, right? We had the check, right? So when you have the check, you cannot move any other pieces. You have to
So I
move
was
the king.
talking before the check.
There is nothing before the check. There was another check before that. Okay, so for
No,
example,
sir, the move before the check.
hold on.
Forget it, sir. It's okay. It's okay.
Hold. Okay, so what we did, we played this. He played this. I captured. He gave check. I came here, gave check. I came here. Now he captured. Okay. Now, are you saying we should capture the bishop?
No, there's no support.
Okay. No. Now we
But earlier
played
there
this.
was support.
Yeah, we played this now. Okay. Now it is white to play. Okay. So suppose white played this. He gave check. Now, are you saying now we should capture?
I was saying that I didn't notice that.
Yeah, but there is a check. Yeah. Okay. Now he played this. And then again. Yeah. Now see, one important thing, kids, here. When you are materially ahead, what does it mean? Now see, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. And 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Now who is materially ahead here?
White.
White. Okay. So when you are materially ahead, you can trade. So you got the opportunity, you capture it. Okay. Now see what can be done. Yeah. Now tell me, can he push this pawn further now?
No, sir.
No, he cannot, right? Now I can capture it. Correct?
Sir, but why did you need to train? Why did you need to trade a rook for a pawn?
Trade.
Hello?
We are not trading our rook for pawn, right? The rook is protected, right?
Yes, sir, but we traded the other rook for the pawn.
Other rook for the other rook, not for pawn. Correct?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. We captured their rook, right? Because
Yes.
we had two rooks and he has only one rook. That's why. Okay, now see. This pawn is pinned. Okay. So we need to be careful here. Yeah.
So we can move the king diagonally down.
No, we cannot. Because the king is coming, right?
Yes, sir, but a king cannot give a check to the king.
Yes, that's why we cannot come here, right?
It's an illegal move. It's an illegal move.
Yeah, anybody coming here will be illegal now for both the kings. Or maybe you can move here.
Oh no. So now how will we do checkmate?
That's what the challenge is actually.
So rook to c5.
Oh no, sir, it is on the black square. So make sure, sir, all the pieces. So we need to make sure that all the pieces are on the white square due to the bishop.
Right. I should not have released this actually. Okay, anyways, he is going back actually there.
So if you want, you can keep the rook on the black square, but not at all the king.
The problem is now, see, opposition is made. Okay, kids. But I cannot deliver check from here because it is coming in the black one. Okay. Now, if I want to bring the rook in white, I will have to keep it in the black, which is again a risk. Right? So that's how the challenge is for rook versus bishop. It is one
So
of
we can
the,
keep it to D. So we can keep it to D2 because that is not a direct. It cannot be direct.
no,
Or
if
with
you
our king supporting it.
no, but if you bring the rook here on d2, your rook will get pinned. You will not be able to move the rook, and because it is protected by king, you can directly capture it. Correct? So bringing the rook here will be a big mistake.
So you should have kept the rook.
Anyways, kids, we will stop here actually. This is
So is it even possible?
Yes, it is possible. I will come to that, but at the latter stage, because it will be little difficult for you guys to understand it now. Okay, so let's come back to this original one. Here, important is identify that this bishop is pinned and push the pawn so that you can capture it. That's the crux of it. Now, can you see the same bishop which we have not captured earlier was troubling you in the end? Okay. So anyways, kids, this is all about a pin. Okay, I think we had sufficient number of puzzle solving exercises on pin. Okay, today we are going to learn the new topic, kids. Okay, that is called as knight fork. Okay, now knight fork is kind of a double attack. Okay, double attack means what? At the same time, okay, the knight will give check and attack on the
Or if you
Other
keep the
piece.
knight to c7 in this puzzle, it will be giving king as well as
So it will give the triple attack.
Yeah, not triple. It is four
Four
times
times attack.
Right. Okay, that is called as family four.
the queen. You'd rather
So the
go for
queen, the rook, the other rook.
It is a family fork. Okay, he's attacking on the entire family. Okay.
except the other knight, because
Yeah.
sir, actually a knight cannot attack on another knight, a queen cannot attack on another queen,
Correct.
and a rook cannot attack on another rook, because
Okay.
they can always capture each other. Even a bishop cannot attack on another bishop.
Correct. Now here important is this one. We are giving check and we are going to capture the queen, or we are giving check and we are going to capture the rook.
Or
Okay.
the other rook.
No
Or-
way, sir. Secondary.
So we can capture the rook, because if the knight will capture the queen, it will get captured itself.
In any case, it will get captured. If you capture this rook, the other rook will capture. If you capture this rook, the other rook will capture. If you capture this queen, the rook will capture, or the pawn will capture. Okay. So that's okay actually, because knight's value is lesser than any of these pieces. So we don't
So
have
then
to
queen.
bother. Yeah, we don't have to bother too much.
So
Okay.
we'd rather go for queen, because
Yes.
at least we are doing something.
Correct. Now it will capture this. You check from here. Moves. We bring another rook. Okay, let's play here.
We are following the computer.
Check. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I am indeed. Okay.
Checkmate.
It's not yet. Moves here. Now can I give? No hurry yet.
Okay, he changed his move.
Yes.
Why did we come ahead in the first place then? I mean, the rook.
Captured. Check. Comes here. Check. Pin. Check. Comes here. Now maybe what we can do? We can bring the rook
They're
here.
trying to go.
That's fine. I will capture actually. Okay, so the same rule again. When you are materially ahead, trade. Okay, he's coming here. Let
So
him
you can
come.
trade everything except for the queen, if you have it, or the king.
Right.
Because king, if you trade the king, you lose the game, and if you trade the queen, if you not know how to play without the queen, then it might be hard for you to play.
Right. So checkmate.
Checkmate.
Okay. So anyways, what was important here to identify the knight fork, okay, which will give the check and you take the advantage of it. Okay. Always important, kids. Any kind of tactic that we are going to learn, if you are not able to make the advantage of that, if you are not taking the material advantage, then there is no use of such tactic. Okay. So this is the
Yes.
example of knight fork. Let's solve the one by one. Let me ask my computer to shut his mouth. Okay. And so that you identify it. Okay.
So it's an innocent computer.
Yeah. So he
And he's helping you.
he is helping us, not you, not me. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Kids.
Us.
Okay. Okay. Who wants to go first? Hesha, Sanvi, or Eva?
So all of us will
Sir,
go.
I can go. Sir, I
Okay.
want to go first.
Yes, Sanvi first. Sanvi first. Okay.
Yes, sir. The knight can go to f5.
Knight f5. And what will happen because of that?
So the knight fork, it will
check
mm,
and attack
and-
on the queen. Correct.
and so there's
Okay.
no regret also in that, because the pawn cannot capture it anyhow.
Right. Now what? What will you play now? Now see kids,
now
you
I don't know.
have taken the advantage. Okay. Now you need to convert this advantage into a win. Okay. If you cannot, then there is no use of identifying the knight fork and capturing the queen. Okay. So I will play from black side now. You guys have to play from white side and win the game. Okay. So your move, kids. White to play.
So pawn to c4.
Pawn to c4. Which pawn?
But we have threat, Eva. We have threat to the. That's what I said.
Okay. So there is a threat. So think and then play. I told you
So
to
then we will
ask
give
those
threat.
questions. Kids, before you make any move, ask the questions. Will my opponent capture something of mine? Okay. You can ask this question to yourself. Is he going to capture something? Oh my God, my knight is under attack. So let me save him first. Right?
So knight
Yes.
to c8.
Knight to c8.
No, sir, b5.
Knight to
b5 or c8. Yes. I need to do.
anything would do.
Yes,
If you are
so
coming
c8
to...
is a knight fork.
No, it's not knight fork. It is just a, there is no check, right?
It's
Oh.
just pawn fork, I guess.
Okay.
It's nothing much actually.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing much.
Okay, kids. Again, your turn.
c4. Pawn to c4.
Pawn to c4. Very good.
But it is
c5.
blocked. Eva.
No.
So pawn to b3.
The knight. No, the knight is under attack. Again.
Yes, sir. Actually.
Knight
So
to
knight to b6.
knight to b6. Okay.
b6.
Seriously?
Knight to a4.
Knight to
Yes,
a4.
sir.
Okay.
But there also can follow us. But thank God it didn't. It cannot follow.
Because of this, I could not. Okay, so this is a boundary. You blocked.
Also, now we can start moving the
So can
pawn.
you move one move back? Can you move when the knight had to move?
Why?
So can you can we move to d5?
Pawn?
No, sir, the knight.
The knight to
D5.
d5. Okay, but that will help me come here. Now I am attacking here.
No, sir. So you can go wherever you are.
So just go back to a5, please.
Just a
So your
second.
screen is frozen.
So there's some kind of tune going on.
Flute.
Yeah, the flute music.
So your screen is frozen also.
Okay. Is it fine, kids?
Yes, now it's
Yes, sir, but your screen was frozen before, okay, so now it is not frozen.
Okay.
I think so you weren't updating it.
Okay. So Eva, if you play here, there is attack on. So pawn to
Yes, I don't wanna
b3 you
play.
can play. You can play pawn to b3. It's okay.
the pawn change.
Yeah. But then I can do this actually. If you capture
But sir, we have another pawn to cap.
my capture.
We can promote now.
You promote, I capture.
So still keep promoting.
Good.
Promoted.
Very good. Very good.
Promoted.
Good one, Eva. You achieved it. Congrats. Now next what? I played this. Your turn.
So queen to d8.
Queen to d8.
Now don't let that pawn promote.
Right.
Queen to E8.
Into e8.
E8. So a8, I guess she said.
No, she said e8. E for elephant.
Oh, so it would be the same thing. So queen to g6.
6. Okay.
d6.
Hello.
Yes.
So can you just go back? So now queen to G5
g5. Why?
to pin the pawn. To pin the pawn.
So queen to g3. No sir, no sir. d5, d5.
So of course we'll go to E5 now.
So f5.
D5. Or no. So no, we cannot do this again.
So c4, c4.
So H5. Okay, that's also good.
So now can you start promoting the pawn again?
This one?
Yes.
To D5.
So capture
Yes,
the
so queen to D5. Oh, capture the pawn. No, sir.
Yes, sir, queen.
Don't capture
Sir,
it.
queen to
Don't
e6.
capture it.
Sir, queen to e6. Sir, queen to e6, please.
Why?
If it promotes, then we will capture the promoted.
Oh,
Yes, this is better move, kids. Okay. Now there are two things. It is attacking. Okay. So I cannot move. If I move, you will capture. Okay. And for black, I have to make the move. Okay. So I cannot say pass. Okay.
Yeah.
So either I will have to come here or here, only two places. Okay. Because
Or down.
I cannot come down. I cannot come, right? The king is
Oh,
there.
yes, sorry.
Correct.
Yes.
So, and as soon as I come here, you can capture it. The game is finished.
Finished?
Yeah,
No.
I mean it is, you can easily checkmate. You know the one queen mate, right? Now even you don't need to promote the pawn as well, actually. Just
So
go
what we can. Because it'll be better. Whenever it has some free time, maybe.
Can I push
So you can block the line.
here? Can I place it here?
No, in the G column. G rank.
G
Rank
rank.
or fight.
But where? Here?
G column. Yes, sir. You can move it there.
Are you sure?
So G5.
Okay. G5 is okay. G6 is not.
So
Okay.
G4 or
So
G5.
stalemate, I think. So,
Yeah. If you play here, it will be stalemate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
So G5 or G4.
G5 is okay. Let him play here, okay? And then you start pushing. Now check. It comes here. Again check. Comes here. And this is checkmate. Okay. So here, this was correct one. Okay, kids. Knight 4. Okay, so Sanvi win
It
the
was
game.
Sanvi's turn.
Yes, very good. Now let's go
No,
to
she doesn't
E-
win the game even we
Turn
played.
the move.
it's Eva's turn now. White to play.
Okay. Sir, can we capture the rook? Sir, capture the rook by the knight.
Very good. This is the Knight 4. Very good.
Sir, but actually it's not fair because the black is not getting a single chance to win.
Don't worry, I
Yes.
have the black one actually. I'll give you the
Okay, sir.
black wala puzzle next one. Yeah.
Okay, sir. That's good.
So capture the queen.
Okay. By the way, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pawns. You have got one extra pawn actually.
Pawns.
Okay, so you can win this
Yes.
match. Although it will be difficult.
So just one more extra pawn. It's not like 10 more extra pawns. I mean, that's not even
Actually,
possible. Still.
one extra pawn, and because black has the double pawn, okay, so you are getting half value extra here, 1.5. So you can definitely win this game, no doubt about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, but we can't even capture the pawn on b5.
Yes, so think of it actually what we will do.
So at least one accomplishment we did, capturing the queen.
Yes, that was the big
And the
achievement.
rook. And the rook.
Correct,
And the rook.
correct, correct.
9 plus 5, how many? 14.
Because of that, you guys are back into the game. Otherwise, black was
Sir,
having
there is nothing.
14 points extra. If
Sir,
we
there's nothing to play now.
if we go back here, black is having 14 points extra as compared to white. Correct? But then you guys
Yes.
did wonderful job. Sorry, I played this. Okay. Now what will you play, kids?
No idea.
So capture the pawn?
No, 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 no.
No, 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 sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Sir,
We will
Hesha is
get
on mute now.
captured.
We will be on mute. Hesha will win the game.
Is Hesha sleeping? No. Okay. Hesha is also.
Sir, now we are muting ourselves. Hesha will tell the rest of the news.
Yes, Hesha. Okay, come on, Hesha. White to play. Or should we exchange? I will play from white. You guys play from black. Is that fine? No.
No way, sir.
Sir, you give us a hint.
You can start pushing the pawns. You have enough material. Our objective is to promote the pawn, right? So make this pawn chain.
Yes.
Okay. And important thing is bring your king out of these 3 pawns. Otherwise, it may have opportunity to back rank mate, right? So let's push this pawn
So
first.
pawn to f4.
Pawn to
Okay.
g3 first, then f4 we will push. Yeah. So then black pushes the
Okay.
pawn next. Yeah.
f4.
Again, black pushes the pawn.
f4.
f4 is done. What
Sir,
next?
just a second.
So I think so. Screen froze.
9%.
Sir, even you got a pawn chain.
Yes, the black
Yeah,
also has got the
a
pawn.
small one.
You also got a small one. It's not gigantic.
Mhm.
Like of all the 6 pawns that we have.
Um, yes. So can we trade our pawn?
Yes, definitely. Which one you want to trade?
So B4
Before you
or
want to play?
B3, whatever.
Okay.
So anything is fine. Percent can do.
So now it can capture. I know, sir. But sir, if the pawn was at B,
Run away.
sir, it cannot do impassant, right? The pawn at A4, it cannot do impassant, neither can it capture the pawn like normally. If you move the pawn to B,
If you push it, then I cannot do in percent because you are going one step, right? Not two steps at a time.
no, sir.
So
before
can we
that,
move
before
a
that.
rook? So can we move a rook to E6?
E6, very good. Okay.
Okay. So pawn to F5.
Which one?
Uh-oh.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is like planning to capture our pawn.
So please take that.
So it is planning to capture our pawn at H2.
Can he?
No, it can't.
No.
No.
That's why I didn't capture that pawn on G6. So, but the knight is an attack.
Which knight?
Oh no, that's right.
Yes, sir, it is.
What
But
you have
that's why I
protected
moved
it,
the
right?
rook.
Right. You have
Yes, that's why I
protected it,
moved
right?
the
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
I'll come in.
So do you need to rejoin?
Yeah, you can. You can, yes.
Okay.
If the meeting is over, do rejoin, kids, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, can I
Okay,
just
sir.
say what should I welcome?
Yes, please.
I just wanted to inform you.
Okay, kids, you want to capture this?
No. No, sir.
Why
Yes,
Sripurna is
sir.
coming so late?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, Sripurna. We are about to get disconnected in a minute and you are joining now.
Sir, means I was doing my homework.
Okay. Nice. If got disconnected, do join again, okay?
Join again, sir, today.
Yeah, join again immediately after this.
Yes.
Okay, kids, next. Black
Sir,
plate
Isha
this.
is not telling anything.
Sir, what we are doing?
We are learning new concept called as night folk. Okay, once rejoin, I will explain it again for you. Okay.